Now, for our BIS leaders or students na mag-relate on with our BIS leaders, because the future of work starts in the classroom, our students will become BIS leaders, relevant global brand leaders. Question is, what strategy can we propose to be used by our students in the future that can enhance, not threatens, the trust of the consumers on AI marketing-driven strategy? Kasi may trust issue. How can we enhance trust?
May trust issues po on AI marketing.
Yes,
Tama po ba?
yes.
That was the question. How do we, just to lang po the question to clarify. So how can we ensure or how can we train the students to create campaigns that
increases in trust?
Yeah, that have relevant, that increases brand trust.
Yes.
More than, okay. How can we train students, no? Dito po ulit babalik yung babalik po tayo sa foundation. Ito po ulit yun, ano? So, if tama po yung pagkakainin dito sa question. So, we all go back to the foundation of knowing who the market is. Because if we do not know who the market is, diba? We will not know what their preferences are. Okay? And if they have trust issues with AI, why? What are, parang they have to dig, siguro one of the things is to dig deep on why their market does not trust AI. Parang ganon po. If tama po
A lot of questions si my friend.
So, it all boils down to asking who and why the market, their target market is like that, to be able to create milder versions, campaigns that can actually answer
A lot of question, my friend.
that can answer yung kanilang pagiging sa AI, DTP sa AI. If tama po yung
Okay, thank you ma'am for that question, ma'am Miss Joanna.
yeah.
Pwede isa pa? Kasi I can't
Hearing from my friend.
Top of my mind for the longest time. It stays in my mind eh. AI can create hyper-personalized advertisement that can predict our patterns of behavior. Is it not a challenge to the idea of free choice of the consumers, free choice and informed decisions of the consumers? Parang minsan na-manipulate ang AI eh. They can predict.
Yeah, the AI can predict, but it's still the user's choice if they will really click or not. Yun po. So that's my take on that po. Parang yes, the AI can predict based on our past behaviors. Because that's our own preference. The AI knows our preference. But at the end of the day, it's the user choosing follow that or to follow that content or to check out that item. Yun po.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jana, for that ability to study my students straight from experience from you. Thank you very much.
Hey, good.